girls are having a secret squirrel meeting with fellow Penty Jess.
I went into carpet court yesterday and Sarah was FaceTiming with someone.
Our Penty buddy Jess mentioned that when Sarah was in carpet court, she was FaceTiming someone to get some advice on carpet, and it wasn't Hayden. When you're in a shop, you ask for their advice. I didn't think you could phone a friend and say...
Is this like FaceTime a friend?
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
maybe we should get Shayna's number and we'll just FaceTime her every time. Hey, Shayna, what do you think of this? Was the C word thrown out at all? Cheating.
Cheating.
Was it thrown out?
It may have been mentioned.
If she's got wallpaper on Sunday, it was legit, but if she doesn't, then... They've had a really crappy week as well, where the absolute confidence has been ripped out of them.
And that's it. You probably want to speak to someone just for a bit of reassurance, because after that you do feel a bit knocked.
Yeah.
Interesting, OK. If my confidence is in my shoes, I'll be calling someone as well.
Thing is, though, if you see it happening heaps of times, you'd probably say something, but once you'll go, whatever. Unless they drop us in for something, and then I'll be on that like a pair of hot potatoes.
Game on.